buying more crypto. We're going to go over Bitcoin. Bitcoin has hit my target of 34,000 I gave you guys. Actually hit it perfect. We are looking for some pull down out of here. We're going to go over Ethereum. Big buys are coming on Ethereum as well, just like Bitcoin. We're also going to go over Dogecoin. I will add it up in here, and then we will also go over Solana. Haven't talked about Solana. We're going to go over Solana. Okay, big moves on Solana, and Solana actually hasn't moved that much, and it actually hasn't hit big targets yet. I do have a target about $33, which is about to hit, but there's a lot of other plays we could do on Solana, so be ready for that one. I'll put that at the end. I think that one might actually have the biggest gain out of all of them, but let's go over Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin, huge run, right? This is almost, it was almost like you could feel the run was coming on Bitcoin because we already bought more Bitcoin. I was averaging in my position. That's why I say join the team. First link in that description. You can use this code now, 20 off. Make sure it's 3Fs. You get 20% off your first month of Elite or Elite year. Whenever you join Elite, you get my stock buys and you get my crypto buys. So it's 2 in 1, but make sure you use that code. That code is your Halloween code that does end on October 31st. Okay. So you get 20% off right now. Now, Bitcoin, I actually bought more Bitcoin. Let's go right here, October 6, 2023, buying a little more Bitcoin here, right? I told the team I was buying more Bitcoin, averaging my position on October 6th. That was all the way right here. This is when I bought more Bitcoin, around 27,000-ish. Now it's at 34. My target was hit and everything. So we will go over new levels now, and this is going to be very critical, okay? So let's put my new target about 36,000. Okay, so my new target on Bitcoin is 36,000. I think Bitcoin will have no problem going to 100,000, especially this is just normal push, risk push. Imagine when the spot ETFs start getting approved for Bitcoin, BlackRock gets approved, ARK Invest gets approved. We're going to see 100,000 like that. So just make sure you're ready. 30,000 for Bitcoin is still cheap. Remember, the all-time highs was at 60, 70, and I knew you wish you would have bought when it's at 60. You're still in those lower times now, okay? So don't forget the times you're in. Nothing says Bitcoin has to keep going higher, but that's why we want to have these levels on here to kind of prepare for them, right? Because they kind of help me know if Bitcoin is going to start pulling down, is it not, and so forth. So resistance level right now in Bitcoin, I would say is about 34,500, okay? So that's the first level, 34,500. I'll let you guys know where I'm looking to buy some more. We got support and also a buying pressure area right around 32,000. Nice even 32,000. So that's why I'm looking to go ahead and get a little bit of more. Like I said, 30,000 for Bitcoin is still cheap. You can still get a 3x if you think it can go to 100,000. So 32,000, that is my buying level and support all in one. So look, very clean chart on Bitcoin. I only have 3 levels that I'm watching for: resistance, buying level, and support, BTC USD, because we already had this very economical run, right? We need a little pull down. Once we get that pull down, that is going to tell us if Bitcoin is going to start shooting up and come back. If it shoots up and come back and breaks this, we're probably going to see Bitcoin to 36 or 40,000 in that range. If we come down here and start breaking more, then that's going to give us a sign we might want to wait a little bit to get a little more confirmation. So these are your levels for Bitcoin. My target right now is 36,000. Looking to buy some more at 32,000. Make sure you don't forget to use that code to join the team. 20% off your Halloween code until October 31st. Now let's go over Ethereum. Boom. So Ethereum, remember I told you guys Ethereum was kind of stalled out. It's kind of been stalling out. It did hit that support right around 1550. Support held, and it actually started to break to the higher side, and it broke resistance, okay? Boom. So let's take all the levels off. Let me put the ticker symbol back up here. ETH USD. We'll turn that white. Make sure you guys get this video over 30 likes. Once this video gets over 30 likes, I will make another crypto video for you guys, right? So it's all on y'all. So resistance level is what I'll put first, right? Pretty strong resistance right here, right around 1840. So 1,840 is the resistance level I'm looking out for right now in Ethereum. Now, Ethereum really hasn't moved, okay? Look at the difference between Bitcoin, right? Ever since about December, it's been going up all year. And then look at the difference of Ethereum. Not that much, okay? So Ethereum has a lot of room. So resistance at 1840. My target on Ethereum, I'm going to have it at about 2,600, okay? 2,600 is my target on Ethereum. Now, the ETFs and stuff are going to benefit Bitcoin the most, but that doesn't mean Ethereum is not going to push up. So Ethereum just to 2,600 from where price is now is already another 45% gain. And Ethereum's all-time high was all the way up here at about 48,000. So do you believe Ethereum will hit 10,000? I do believe Ethereum will hit 10,000. Okay, when, I don't know. I feel like Bitcoin is going to hit 100,000 before Ethereum hits 10,000, but nothing says it can't. So ETHUAD resistance here. We got our target level here. And then again, none of this financial advice, just education purposes, showing you guys what I'm doing, what I'm looking at. Then I'm gonna put support and also buying pressure. I'm gonna put about 1700. It might be a little lower than where I would like it to go, but I'll put it there for now because that's kind of like my support area. That's kind of like my buying pressure area in one. So we'll put it at about 1700, right? So kind of watch Ethereum. It's not getting a big of a move like Bitcoin is, but still opportunities in it nonetheless. So that's the levels I'm kind of watching out for, looking for that little pull down. I'm thinking maybe tomorrow Ethereum might have that pull down for the entry, and then it might start going up, breaking this, and going to higher prices. We'll see. So let's kind of wait a little bit on Ethereum. Then let's go over, I would go over Dogecoin. So DOGUSD, Dogecoin pushing up, right? Held support, beautiful. Broke resistance, beautiful. Everything kind of going perfect to script. So we got resistance at about 7 cents here. I'm not too ready just to buy Dogecoin just yet. We got to wait a little bit, right? Not that long, just got to wait a little bit. We got support right here. Okay. So we got resistance at 0.072, support at 0.064. And that's what I want. That's all I have right now. I don't have a buying level of Dogecoin just yet because Dogecoin really hasn't moved that much, even though it is up, right, from its low down here. Let's see how much is up actually. And then we're going to go over Solana. So from the low to the high, it's up about 22%, but Dogecoin has way much longer to go, right? I really want Dogecoin. Remember Dogecoin, it was at like 48 cents or so. Y'all want Dogecoin to $1? That's going to be very hard, but I could at least minimum see Dogecoin get back above 10 cents, right? And right now it's around 6 to 7. So I think it has some room to go, but for right now, let's kind of watch out for these levels. Whichever one breaks might give us a little indication of where it might want to go. And I'll update you guys as well. As long as you guys get this video over 30 likes, I'll update you on a crypto video tomorrow. Now let's talk about Solana, okay? The big one that might give us a whole lot of gains. So I do have a target about $33. That's the first target. It's about 32. I'm gonna consider that target hit, okay? I'm done with that target. My next target is about 44. So that's a very big push on Solana. I like how Solana's run is pushing right now, okay? It has been pushing. It's actually been stalled out, to be honest with you. It's been stalled out since like January 2023. It's been stalled out all year, and it's finally started breaking up, right? So we have our target price, $44. Boom. Now that we're pulling down, Solana is at a key area. So we kind of want to take all this off. It broke resistance. It held support good on that pull down. Remember, it came down, held support here, run up, broke resistance. That was the key sign that we're probably going to start seeing some more push. Let's see. So resistance level, I got to put resistance level all the way up here. I'm going to say I'm going to put it in between 34 and 36. So about 35, I'm going to say we have a resistance level on Solana that might be stopping us. So right now we're at 30. So even from now to the resistance is almost a 20% gain by itself. So we have a buying pressure level literally where price is now. So let's put that as a buying level. Then I'm gonna have one more buying level. So I got 2 buying levels on Solana. I'm gonna take support off because those buying levels are technically supports as well. So let's bring this down so you can see everything in like the same frame. That's a ticker symbol, by the way. And also, let me write this out real quick. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Make sure you guys use that code 20OFF. It's with 3 Fs. Get 20% off your first month or your first year. Elite lifetime memberships if you just want to pay once. Personal training if you want me to teach you how I trade cryptos and stocks. And remember, when you join Elite, you get access to stocks and crypto buys, okay? So these are my 2 buying levels. I'm very tempted, I'm not going to lie, to get Solana as I'm making this video, but we're going to put it 30.50. That's the first buying level. I need to see which one activates. This one might be activating already. That's why I say hurry up and smash that like button so I can update you guys. And then this one is about $28. So, okay. Now the most optimal one will be at 28, but 30 might be activated because we go down to that 5-minute chart. If we zoom in, you can kind of tell it hit it once, tried to go up, hit it twice, tried to go up, and let's see, right? If we start breaking above like 31.20, that might start to push it up a little bit more, but it is staying kind of at that buying level after this hard drop. So just be mindful of that. That hard drop might push it down to around $28, but we'll see. So I might buy Solana today, I might buy it tomorrow, but that buy for me is getting close. Thank you guys for watching the video. Smash the like button, subscribe. Always remember, no recommendation of ours. So anything just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. Catch you guys in that next one. Bye.